Good morning, students. In previous video, we have seen density of populations. Okay, all of you knows the density of population is very different according to the regions. We know that according to the regions, the population is also different. Means those area are hilly area or mountainous area, there is spare populations, as well as those area is flat or plain area, there is a dense populations. Today we will study structure of populations. Structure of populations also very different. Populations can be subdivided into various categories. Okay, by studying the correlation between the subdivision and understanding of the structure and quality of the population is possible. So, okay, in the population there are some different type of groups. As we saw in the previous video, according to their age. Okay, young, old, adult. Okay, there are you can say categories: male, female. Okay, literate, illiterate, rural, working populations, urban population. Okay, young, dependent population. Okay, all these things we have to classify in according to the regions. So, sex, age, rural, urban, literacy, productive populations can be subdivided as per the group given above. So, we have to divide that populations according to their categories. These subgroups and their relationship with one another is studied in the structure of populations. So, उसका रिलेशन एक दूसरे के साथ कैसा है, उसका रिलेशन कैसा है. Okay, according to that their relationship, one is another studies in the structure of populations. Okay, उसका structure of populations हम निकाल सकते हैं. जैसे कि as we saw their male. Okay, there are different groups: male, okay, literate, illiterate, children's, unemployed, okay, infant, literate, okay, rural, okay, all these things. Next point, we will see the sex ratio. As per the gender, sex ratio, male, female. There are sex ratio. As per the gender, populations can be divided into male and female. This is a natural division which can be easily understood in the populations when both the genders are around the same number. It indicates a balanced populations. In those areas, there is the same populations of male and male. Okay, in that area, the population is balanced populations. जिस एरिया में मेल और फीमेल दोनों कैसे होते हैं, सेम होते हैं, वहाँ का पॉपुलेशन कैसा होता है, बैलेंस पॉपुलेशंस. इन द पॉपुलेशन स्टडीज द रेशियो ऑफ मेन एंड वीमेन इज कंसिडर्ड इम्पोर्टेंट. The ratio is calculated as follows. So, sex ratio, how to calculate or how to measure the sex ratio? Okay, see the page number 45. There is one formula. Means the total number of female divided by total number of male multiply 1000. Okay, this by using this formula, okay, you can measure or you can calculate the sex ratio. So we have seen those areas have male and female both are same, that there is a balanced populations, but in those areas the males are very high than male. Okay, there is a unfavorable sex ratio. When for every 1000 male the number of female is less, the sex ratio is says to be low. जहाँ पे 1000 मेल के कंपैरिजन में फीमेल बहुत कम है, द सेक्स रेशियो इज टू बी लो. वो सेक्स रेशियो क्या बोलते हैं, उसको कम बोलते हैं. बट वेन फॉर एवरी 1000 मेल द नंबर ऑफ फीमेल इज मोर. बट जिस स्टेट में या जिस कंट्री में मेल के 1000 जो मेल है उसके कंपैरिजन में फीमेल की जो नंबर है वो ज़्यादा है. ओके, दैट इज हाई सेक्स रेशियो. So, okay, dear students, page number 45. Okay, there is one graph. Okay, study the graph. There is a Haryana, Bihar, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Kerala. Okay, by studying, see carefully, by studying the graph, you have to give the answers. The first is, which state had the highest sex ratio? See carefully, which? Kerala. कौन सा बेटा? Kerala. Kerala has a highest sex ratio means 1084. मतलब 1000 मेल के कंपैरिजन में वहाँ की फीमेल की जो नंबर है, फीमेल का नंबर कितना है? 1084. Second question is, which state has the lowest sex ratio? Which state has the lowest sex ratio? Which state? See there, Haryana. कौन सा बेटा? हरियाणा. हरियाणा सेक्स रेशियो is 879. So okay, by studying this graph, okay, you have to see all the questions. Now I am asking you one question. Our Maharashtra sex ratio is 929. कितना है? 929. And Chhattisgarh sex ratio is 991 and Bihar is 918. Okay, these are the sex ratio of all these states. So dear students, sex ratio is very important because what means it is a, we can say, we can calculate how many males and females are in the comparison of male. In 1000 male में, okay, female की number कितना है? Okay, this we can calculate. Okay, that is why it is very important. Okay, next point we will see the next video tomorrow. Thank you.